Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a website in Hostinger using an old domain name. And by an old domain name, I mean using an existing domain name. So as you see here, we have two steps. Step one, which is update your domain name servers. Step two, create your website in Hostinger and use your old domain name. So let's start with step one, which is updating your domain name servers. Here I will show you how to update your domain name servers with a domain name that is existing on Hostinger and also on different domain name providers. Let's start with a domain name, or let's start with an old domain name existing on a Hostinger. So I will log in to my Hostinger account, then go to domains. This is my domain name, btutorial.com. Here I will click on manage. What we are looking here is for something called name servers, or NS for short. Click on it. As you see here, the current name servers, or let's explain this. Name servers are your way to let your domain name provider or your domain name know where your website exists, or where your website files exist. In another way, where to forward your domain name visitor. This is why we use name servers. Here, this domain name was connected with my website on Bluehost, so I will change to to Hostinger name servers. Click on change name servers. Here, since I am on Hostinger, only you go with use Hostinger name servers and hit save. And they will automatically, or they will directly use Hostinger name servers, which are those two lines. Let's copy them because we will need them later. Like that. Now it may take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new name servers. This means that this linking is not instant. You need to wait for up to, sometimes it takes just 2 minutes. Sometimes it can take up to 72 hours. But lately, or in those late years, name servers propagation or domain propagation started to be faster. So this is why it is better to, let's say tomorrow you want to work on, or you want to connect, or you want to create your website. It is better to change the name servers today, in order so when you give your website your domain name, it will be automatically connected. Now hit close. Before jumping to the step 2, which is creating your website in Hostinger, let's see how to do the same thing, which is updating name servers with other domain name providers. So I think I will jump to Porkban. I am now inside my Porkban account, which is a domain name provider. So here, this is my domain name. I am sure I will blur it. So this is what I am looking for, NS, which stands for name servers. Click on it. This new window pops up. Here, I need to delete those default name servers, then copy the name servers of Hostinger like that and hit submit. Now let's see how to do the same thing with a domain registered in a less known domain provider, which is Internet BS. This is it. I am now inside my Internet BS account, which is a domain name provider, and this is the domain name I will work on. Let's click on it. Click on the modify domain setup, and as you see, I am inside name servers. Here, this domain name already uses Hostinger name servers because it is connected to one of my websites on Hostinger. Here, let's say this domain was connected to a website created on Bluehost or Namecheap, for example. All I need to do is to click on this delete buttons. Here I will enter my Hostinger name servers NS1, NS2, and hit add name servers. And just like that, I've successfully updated this domain name servers to start using the Hostingers ones. And this is how to update your domain name servers with different domain name providers. Now let's jump to the step number 2, which is creating your website in Hostinger and use your domain name. I am back in my Hostinger account, so I will log in. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. I am back in my Hostinger account, so I will log in. Now I will go to websites. And from this websites page, here just click on this add website button and you will see the different ways that you can use to create your website in Hostinger. First, let's start with the WordPress way. Click on WordPress. Here select your WordPress website language. I will keep it English. Here fill in your WordPress admin email, password, and hit this next button. Here you can use AI to build or to create your website or go with pre-built websites and themes. Here I'm not sure, so I will go with pre-built websites and themes, or let's create a blank site. Here you need to connect your or use your old domain name. In my case, it's benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. Click on next. And here, because I've already gave my domain name the Hostinger name servers, here they didn't ask for this step. Now let's select my server location. Here it is better to select a server or a data center that is closest to your website audience. Since my website is in English, I will go with US, targeting US an US audience, so I will go with US. Click on install WordPress and wait a moment. And this is how to create a WordPress website in Hostinger using your old domain name. Here you are still using a temporary Hostinger email, not email, a domain name, because you need to wait up to 24 hours until the domain is fully connected. If I try to visit my domain name, as you see, till now I think there is a certification error. So here I need just to wait, but to make sure that your domain name or you are using your old domain name, go to settings, hit general, and next to WordPress address, here you should see your domain name or your old domain name. Now just be patient till the name server or the website domain propagation is completed. Now let's go back to each panel. Go to websites, then click on dashboard. Yes. Go to security and select SSL. As you see, the SSL is active, so let's give my website a visit. No, it is not yet. I will go back to SSL, delete this certification and install a new one. Sometimes this forces the SSL to work fast. Let's refresh this page. And now my WordPress website is started using my old domain name. Now let's see how to create a website using Hostinger Website Builder. Click on Add Website, select Hostinger Website Builder. Here you can describe your website idea and let the AI create the website for you, or use pre-made templates. For this video, I will go with pre-made templates because it is quicker. I will use this template. There is many templates, but I will go with this one. Select template, use original template, or even personalize this template. I will go with use original template. Now that my website is created using Hostinger Website Builder, here I will go to connect domain, and since I have a free domain offer that I don't want to claim during this video, I will first I will publish this website using a temporary domain name, and then I will connect it from the website's page. Let's view my website. Now my website is online. I will go back to the website's page. This is my new website built or created using Hostinger Website Builder. So if I click on these three dots and select Connect Domain, here I can fill in my domain name, benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. Click on Next. Domain added to your site. So here it's time to build your online success. Hit Continue. As I've said before, since my domain name is already using Hostinger name servers in the step 1, there is no need to do it after entering your domain name. Now let's give my website a visit. Hit refresh. Now I think it requires a little bit of time to start forwarding to this new website created using Hostinger Website Builder. And this is how to create a website in Hostinger and using old domain name. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.